Hi, I'm Mary Reeves with Ebby Halliday Realtors. What's better than new construction? How about a house that's only a year old? Welcome to 8035 Copper Way in University Place. It's in Dallas, but it's Richardson Schools, Mohawk Elementary, J.J. Pierce High School. Come on in and take a look at all of these fabulous upgrades. Upgraded flooring, super cool lighting, upgraded quartz countertops and fixtures, gorgeous master suite, more upgrades in the master ensuite, an extended shower, and a standalone tub. Upstairs, there's 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. Large playroom that can also be used as a media room, but really plenty of room for everybody in this house. University Place is all about families and fun. They have a great community pool, playground for the kids, and not to be left out, your furry friends. Great dog park.